Welcome back. Today we are going to talk about Wessex Red Virginia Flake. This is a flake made in Germany. This is the older style tins. They are now round. This is 2015. So this is a classic navy cut with classic Virginia. Navy cut with some supposedly a red sun note, top note. This is the flake. And I've had this dried out to my liking. And I've been smoking this down. Alright. What is red sun top note? I don't know. But there definitely is some type of casing of fruitiness going on with this. I mean, this is an outstanding Red Virginia Flake. Outstanding. Probably one of the best ones on the market. But I don't know what the top note is. The top note is so much in the background, it doesn't affect the Red Virginia taste at all. I mean, you do get this fruitiness. I think whatever that is enhancing the tobacco flavor. Very tasty stuff. You get the figginess. Like I said, there's fruity, there's dark fruit, there's that, so one thing I did notice with these tins, not necessarily tins, but the flakes were kind of stuck together. Oh, the few tins I did have of this in the past, I remember the flakes actually sticking, but I don't know what that's about, if that's the way it was cut, and it was packed right when it was cut and put right in the tin. The flakes were fairly moist. I had to dry them out. I dry everything out anyway, so. But far as flavor, this is really, really tasty stuff. It's not an aromatic, even though there's some type of fruity topping on here. And it's not overkill. This is just, it's not fruit punch. This is just a real light something of fruitiness. And from what I've been told in the past, the room note is phenomenal. So without further ado, I hope you guys are doing great. And until next time, we'll see you.